some sugar buns. So here's all of the ingredients we're going to be using. And here we have a machine, so let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
So first things first, I'm going to be putting in some flour. Oh. I'm going to wash my hands and clean up the smoke.
Take it back away. Do your flower thing, Susie. Do your flower
Take
thing.
my wiper, please.
Do your flower thing,
Take
Susie.
my wiper, please.
Yeah, show off everything, Susie. It's okay. Do your flower thing.
Okay. Seamus, you're going to put in the yeast.
No. No one go for these. That's the part of it.
All of it, yeah.
More?
All of it.
Now let's mix.
No, not
Mix.
yet. Not yet.
I'm doing this because there's flour in it.
So you guys, now I'm going to be putting aside some sugar.
Susie, I will open it for you. What? I'm not hiding it here.
Here, not in me.
Okay.
Now my sister's going to be putting aside some salt.
The sauce?
My brother and my sister will be putting aside 1 egg each.
Eggy? Eggy. Now put it in my hand now.
Hey guys, now I'm going to put aside some milk.
Susie, I'm going to hold your hand carefully.
So you guys, now I'm going to be putting aside some vanilla extra. I'm going to be putting aside 1 scoop. First, let's put that cover.
Mix. Oh, that's actually big. It's covered up so much. I think it actually covered up. No!
So you guys, now my brother's going to be putting aside some butter.
Okay. Oh. Oh, I don't know how to open it. Let's open this. Black, big, dry, it. Oh my god. And pause. Can I mix? And I put it. Put the pig. Pig. Quick.
We're going to be opening it.
Quick. Okay.
Yeah, she does.
Put it off.
Okay, let go.
Unless I got some candy.
Let go. Guys, I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes and yeah, let's cover it. Wow.
That actually looks so soft.
It has, oh my god, guys, it has rice and rice.
It's so
Oh my
right.
God.
And it's
Now
so
we're gonna make
soft.
our own.
So
We're gonna take some flour and sprinkle it this around.
But yeah. Because we have to. That's what they do.
All around, guys. Shane, stop.
Butter.
Oh, that is big. We're gonna be starting. Let's do this.
Hey,
Don't do that. We're making a mess. I'm not the boss of you guys, but you guys should listen to me. Stop. Swim.
no, I'm not doing that.
So guys, yeah, my bread is here. Let's make some more.
Too much. Big.
I'm gonna take some flour and sprinkle it on my paper. Guys, this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna be covering it and putting it for 45 minutes.
Chicka-boo, chicka-boo,
Chicka-boo.
chicka-boo, 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 chicka-boo. Bella?
This is all of this. Satisfied.
Okay, I just round it.
And it's been 1 hour, and now let's fry.